Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. By what number should 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the question is minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 2? So here we have to find a number. Let's say it is x. If 2 by 3, the number is divided by this 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 is divided by a number, let's say x here, such that it gives a quotient of minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. So if this is our question, so this is the given condition and we have to find the value of x here. X is the required number here. Therefore we can say that x will be equal to 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by minus 4 by 9 to the power minus 2. Now, since we know y to the power minus m can be written as 1 upon y to the power m, so let's change this negative power to positive power by using this property. So minus 4 by 9 to the power 2, and this will become 2 by 3 to the power 3 if it comes in denominator. Now let's solve it. So x will be equal to minus 4 by 9 to the power 2 divided by 2 by 3 to the power 3. Now, since we know x by y to the power m can be written as x to the power m divided by y to the power m. So let's split the power in the numerator and denominator. So it will be equal to minus 4 to the power 2 divided by 9 will come in denominator. So to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. And 3 will come in the numerator. So 3 to the power 3. Now, we can also take minus 1 outside from minus 4 because minus 4 can be written as minus 1 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 1 multiplied by 4. So minus 1 square multiplied by 4 square multiplied by 3 cube divided by 3. 9 can be written as 3 square. So this is, let's solve this. So since we know, let's use another property. X to the power m to the power n can be written as x to the power m multiplied by n. So here minus 1 to the power 2. Minus 1 to the power even power is always 1. So 1 multiplied by 2. 4 can be written as 2 square multiply to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 2 to the power 2. So x to the power m to the power n we can write as x to the power m multiplied by n. That's why we have written here 3 to the power 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Now 2 to the power 3. Similarly, we will write 2 to the power 2 whole to the power 2 as 2 to the power 4 by using the above property. So this will be equal to this. Now let's take 2 power together and the 3 power together. Since we know that x to the power m divided by y to the power n can be written as x to the power m minus n. So using this property we can simplify it as 2 to the power 4 minus 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 minus 4. So this will be equal to 2 to the power 1 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 1 because 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So we can write 2 by 3 because 3 to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 since we know x to the power minus n can be written as 1 by x to the power n. So our answer is 2 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2 by 3 is the required number here and it is our required answer.